And hello everyone, welcome to a new episode on the Rocco Boy channel. Today I have a lot of amazing stuff. Today we will do a couple customization on my Scirocco and that will be stickers. So first I have those one. This is the back window stickers. Those small windows on back of the Scirocco. Then I have air freshener. It's a metal one, and can I do that with one hand? Yeah. And you put air freshener here and attach that to car with this. I think this is the magnet. We'll open it and see. I think this is the magnet for this one. Can we open that? Yeah, give me a second. Okay, unboxing knife. What is this? Oh, this is air freshener. Oh, it smells so good. And you put this here. It's like a tablet, something like that. Ooh, okay. And you open this thing. How much air freshener you want to have inside your car. So if you close it 100%, it will not came anything, and if you it's solved in the outside. And now, as you can see, if you open more, you will get more smell, and if you close it, it will be less. Amazing thing, really amazing. I will close it for now before I install it in the car. And the last but not the least thing is those thing which goes under the doors. So you put one of this carbon fiber piece, and on that you put this sticker. So amazing thing. Let's go install all of this.
And all the shit you don't do, well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never.
And now the final. So is this metal or aluminium? So it's not metal because I have magnet here. So I need to find a way how to attach this. Maybe some double tape or something like that. Maybe here, maybe. I will see. and I can use in the future, I can use those things, put it inside here, and that's it, because it's hard to find refill for this one. So for now, here. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope that you like all this small but great features for my Rocco. All of those stuff are from Wish, Aliexpres and eBay, but in the most of case is Wish and Aliexpres. So I will probably put links under the video so you can order the same thing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel, to click on this bell so you will always get notification when I upload something new, and of course like this video and share with your friends. So till next time, see you.
Forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that